Hi, this is Michael from Azure Tips and Tricks. I just got back from build, pretty tired, but today I wanted to show you a little something. But before I do that, I want to show you my camera person for the day.
Hi, I'm Ren, and I love Azure.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Ren. So today we're going to be unboxing this little guy that they gave away during a couple of the sessions, and that they also gave away at the IoT booth. And this is the new IoT button. So let's just go ahead and unbox it. So you see here, it also says like AKA MS / button. So that apparently that's where you can go and check it out. All right, so let's open this thing up. Yes, opened. Huh, kind of cool. So when you open this thing up, it says your journey starts here. So again, that AKA link. You can see it tells a little bit about where, if you want to go and check this out. And then up here, we have, looks like this may be a couple of the colors of the buttons. Looks like you get to select your color. I'm actually not sure, but I think that is what it is. It looks like the little button is right there. Next after that is the safety and compliance information. Yeah. And then finally, we get to what we were looking for here. And this is the actual IoT button. So let's take a look at it. You can see that it has one little button at the top that I'll be able to press and connect to IoT Hub and do some cool, fun things. On the back, it has a tiny bit of instructions of where it was made, and it also says Developer Edition on the back. Pretty cool, not for resale. Again, it has the aka.ms / button, Microsoft Azure certified. Not sure how much of that will show up on the screen. So I believe my next step, did not come with any USB cables or anything like that. So I believe my next step from here would be to go to this URL. All right, thanks for watching the first unboxing of the IoT button. Bye-bye.